In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do MLA format in Google Docs. Let's walk through this process together. Many students and professionals rely on the MLA format for writing papers, especially in the humanities. Thankfully, Google Docs offers an efficient way to set up your paper using a pre-formatted MLA template, saving you a lot of time and eliminating formatting guesswork. To get started, open up the Google Docs homepage. If you're not sure where to find it, just go to Google and search for Google Docs. Once you're there, you'll notice a button in the top right corner that says Template Gallery. Go ahead and click on this. The gallery contains numerous templates for different types of documents, and it's really handy when you need a specific format like MLA. Once you click on the template gallery, scroll down a bit until you reach the education section. Here you'll find the Report MLA template. Google has thoughtfully set up this template with all the proper formatting rules that MLA requires. Go ahead and click on this template to create a new document. After clicking the template, you'll see a document open up with some placeholder text. This is where you'll start working on your paper. What's great about this template is that it already has the formatting set up for you. Margins are set correctly, the font is in the right style, and the line spacing is appropriate. Even the Works Cited page at the end of the document is formatted in MLA style. This means you don't have to worry about setting these details yourself. They're already good to go. Now, once you have your document open with the template, all you have to do is replace the placeholder text with your own information and content. Start with the header, where you'll put your own name, your instructor's name, the course details, and the date. Then move on to the title of your paper. Make sure it's centered properly. With that done, you can start typing out your paper section by section. Remember, the template has done most of the heavy lifting for you. It ensures your paper adheres to MLA formatting rules, so you can focus more on the content and less on the technical aspects. Just be mindful to check over each part as you go along to ensure everything looks correct and aligns with any specific requirements you might have for your assignment or project. That's it. You've now set up your MLA format document in Google Docs quickly and efficiently. I hope this helps streamline your writing process and lets you focus more on crafting your arguments and supporting details. Thanks for watching, and best of luck with your writing.